Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a makeup shield. It is called Duracell Face Shield Patch, and when you open it, it comes in this little tube. Okay, so when this product right here is coated on the skin, it claims to protect the skin from contaminants. Okay, so in the packaging, it does say that Duracell can help reduce the amount of casual sebum produced by your skin and refresh your tired skin. So my skin does produce sebum. I am oily combination, so this product is actually for my skin type in a way. This video is going to be a peel off foundation kind of video. I'm actually going to apply this on half of my face, and then I'm going to do a full face of makeup, and then we're going to compare both sides, and then we'll do the peel off on one side and see what happens. Okay, so when you open it, it is a tube. It is a clear gel, as you can see. But yeah, it is a clear, thick gel. So yeah, let's get started. So I did prime my face. I don't know how it's going to work with this, but I always prime. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush right here. It is a Real Techniques Essential Foundation brush. I'm just going to apply this on the brush and then apply it to my face. I'm going to take this amount. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I am going to let it dry. It's starting to dry a little bit right here. Okay, so I forgot to read you guys this part, but in the back it says that face shield patch that solves skin problems secretly, and it also protects the face from direct contact with makeup and pollutants by covering the skin with a transparent protective film, which is what you see right here. Okay, so I guess the concept is to put this gel on the problematic areas on your face, and it's going to protect it from being contaminated by makeup and other bacteria that may come across your problematic areas like acne. I'm going to wait until this dries completely, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the face shield is all dried up. It feels a little tight, and it's obviously very shiny. I think this side looks like this because I was talking, but yeah, it's all dried up. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I think I'm going to do this side first. Okay, so I guess you shouldn't be talking with this product because it's already peeling, but that's okay. Obviously, the forehead and the cheek area looks a lot better. I guess because I was talking, this already started to peel off and it looks very unattractive. I'm actually going to set everything. And because the gel is so shiny, you can kind of see it coming through the foundation. As you can see, this side compared to that side is more matte. The Fenty Beauty is more of a soft matte foundation, so it should not be this shiny. I think I'm going to start peeling it off. Obviously, I'm going to start with the edges and just peel everything off. I think the concept of this product is actually a good concept. I don't think you should put it on your whole face, obviously, but on a pimple or two just to cover it up so you can still wear makeup. This kind of feels like a peel off mask. I can feel it kind of pulling on my little hairs. It's not painful, it's just pulling on my little hairs. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so I don't see any hairs on it, but at the same time this product wasn't intended to take out any gross things out of my face. Okay, so this is how my face looks. This side is pretty good, and this side of course is. So this is my face and how it looks like. There's still makeup residue all over my cheek. I don't see as much on my forehead, but there's a lot more on my cheek, and of course right here is full of little residues. But yeah, I think that was a fun experiment. I actually like this. It does say what it says it does, but it only works for small areas, whereas I did the whole half of my face. Okay, so I knew it wouldn't work since I put it on half of my face, but like I said, the concept is there. I just wanted to do a fun experiment where I wanted to do a peel off foundation kind of video. So this one actually came in handy and it worked out perfectly in my opinion. But anyways, this was a very fun experiment. I did achieve the goal of a peel off foundation. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this experiment, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. I am going to do little fun videos like this here and there on my channel, so subscribe if you want to see those. But yeah, this is the end of the video, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.